This is the one ball rib stitch. It's simple, it's quick, and it's an absolute joy to knit. You'll have this knitted in about 2 to 3 hours, and it's done. Using size 20 ply or a super chunky wool with size 10mm needles, cast on 64 stitches, and because you're using the round, add 1 extra stitch so that you don't have a hole in your work. The pattern is very simple. Knit 3, purl 5, knit 3, purl 5. That will give it lots and lots of stretch, and it looks spectacular on. Knit for a total of 8 inches or about 20 centimetres. I hope you enjoy knitting this cowl as much as I have. Enjoy. Knit 3, knit 1, knit 2, knit 3, yarn to the front and towards you. Purl 5, purl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that completes our lovely and very quick pattern. Continue all the way around. Once you have the desired length and you've finished your ball of wool, it's time to cast off. There are many methods to casting off, and I particularly like this method. It's quick and it's easy. Cast off all stitches.